Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Bernardo, or more commonly referred to as Chef Baba by my customers. You can follow me on social media at Baba Cooking Class on Facebook. Today we're here because I want to share with you my own special homemade tropical AloeCran Smoothie. AloeCran is a product from Nature City. It features 3 branded ingredients designed to help support your digestive health, your heart, and blood sugar health. Personally, I take AloeCran for the past 9 years because I find it to be soothing and calming to the nerves in my stomach after a busy day in the kitchen. I think you'll find it very beneficial. So I don't want to bore you. Let's start making the smoothie. The smoothie has about 9 ingredients. We're going to start with the liquid ingredients first. We have organic coconut water, some tropical pineapple juice, and a nut milk, almond milk in this case. And now we're going to add our AloeCran. Next is some organic yogurt, which is going to give it a nice creaminess and a little bit of a tang. And for a little fiber, we have some green apple and frozen banana. Last, some ice to chill it. And I like to garnish with some fresh mint, 2 or 3 leaves inside. I'm going to cover and blend. That looks good. Nice pretty pink color. I'm going to pour it in a chilled glass. Garnish with some more fresh mint on top. And let's give that a taste. That's delicious. Perfect, refreshing mid-afternoon or late night snack. I think you're going to enjoy that. I know I'm enjoying it. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you follow us at Baba Cooking Class on Facebook or at Nature City Supplements on Facebook.